Hi there, how's it going? So as you know, a lot of movie and TV shows applications were recently blocked on Amazon Fire Stick devices, and the majority of them do not work. However, there is still a couple of apps that do work in 2026, and today I'm going to show you how to get one of those amazing movie applications to your device. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you just a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you'll need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on your device, open the search bar and start typing Downloader in this search. And usually there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app, because as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the orange application, which you'll need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now in order to actually stop Downloader, we need to go to the settings. So let's do it. Click that button with the menu and go to the settings. Then the next step, you have to open My Fire TV, and now we'll need to turn on the developer options. But the thing is, on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So go back and you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go into the installation of unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader, and there you turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So we head back to a list of apps on your device, and there is the Downloader, which we've got. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing, which I always recommend doing. It is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN, because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say you will connect to Luxembourg right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to a list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up. Now here at the top, there's that search bar, we open it, and now we'll need to enter the code in here to download the app to your device. And the code is going to be 243449 7. So once again, it's 24344497. That's the code you will need to enter. Then just click on next. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now in a couple of moments, the download of the app will start. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because that way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on the Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again to save yourself some free space on your device. Then, when you go back to the list of applications on the Fire Stick, you'll open the list. And here at the bottom, you'll find this new application which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to hold the middle button on your remote. Hold down and this menu will appear on the right side. Then you click on move to front, and that way the app will always be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Of course, don't forget to keep the VPN connected, so that you are always safe and out of trouble online. Once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, you can use my link below to get 3 months of VPN free of charge. And then let's go and open up this new application which we just got. And now I had to blur out my screen because of the YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. And basically, this is an amazing app, pretty similar to the HDO box or other applications, which recently were blocked on Amazon Fire Stick devices. So enjoy the app and see you next time. Bye bye.